everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a room tour. I'm super excited for this video. I've been holding this off for a really long time because I've just been kind of like nitpicking and trying to get every single thing perfect. I have like a white kind of aesthetic going on, like white with like some fur and some kind of like gold and metal accents is kind of what I have going on. So hopefully this gives you some room inspiration. The current things that I mentioned I will definitely link in the description box below. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already and keep watching to see my room tour. So starting outside my room, very standard, a door, a doorknob. Okay, so walking straight into my room, this is the first thing you see. So I'll do a quick overview really quick so you can get an idea of what the room looks like as a whole. So here, starting from the door that we just walked in, so I will just start off and show everything in detail that I just showed you. So first off is my dresser, which looks like this. This has honestly been around forever. It's been in all my room tours. I think it was somebody in my family's before it was mine, and it was wooden, and then my mom painted it white. So I've literally had this since I was a child, so I'm not exactly sure where it originally came from. So on top of my dresser, I have this Ikea frame. It's actually, there we go, it's actually like two-sided. So I've got a couple different pictures in there. I really like that one because of the palm trees. Next up, I have my Polaroid camera. Right here in the middle is this perfume tray. It's a mirrored tray. I think I got it from Target originally. Next, right there is a little Polaroid frame from Urban Outfitters. I just bought this very recently, so I'm sure it is still available. So it's like this kind of like holographic, iridescent, kind of like really cool frame, like really cool. I literally love it. And then it spins and you can put like a couple different pictures in it. So I just have a picture here of my dad and I in Malibu on the beach. And then I have this little flower vase right here. I think it was from Michael's or maybe Hobby Lobby. It was from some kind of like craft store. And then also on top of my dresser I have this. It's from Urban Outfitters as well, so it's just this like rose gold and glass dish, and I know it looks messy, but that's where I keep all of my like metal chokers, necklaces, a couple rings, all the kind of stuff that I wear every single day. I just kind of have them in this dish where I can just easily grab them on my way out the door. Hanging above my dresser is this big round mirror with like no frame, and I absolutely love this. Mirrors are really nice because they make your room look bigger since they're so reflective. So I got this one from Target. Like I said, I just bought it the other day, so I will definitely link that in the description box below. I like it because it doesn't have like a big giant frame. It's just really simple and chic, and I think it looks really nice above this. So. Okay, and then moving along, I do have my Alex 9 drawer from Ikea right here. So I did change up the top of it from the last time I have shown you guys this. So less than a year ago, I actually did an entire like makeup collection video showing you what is exactly in these drawers in depth. So you can definitely check that out. I will link that in the description box below. So this like mirrored triangle thing, I'm not really sure what to call it, is from Urban Outfitters. I just think it looks really cool to have out, and I don't know, I just really like the look of it. Next to that, I have this candle, which is also from Urban Outfitters. It's the Daydream scent, and it's really nice. I absolutely love it. In front of those two things, I have this other little Polaroid frame, which is also from Urban Outfitters, and it's just kind of like this rose gold metal, and it's really cute. So a few things have changed since I went into depth with this, so I'll just kind of briefly show you what I have in each drawer. In this first drawer, I have all of my sunglasses. Mostly it was originally just for my key sunglasses, but I've gotten some really cute ones from Princess Polly so that I've just thrown in there as well because they're still really nice sunglasses. So almost all of them are key. Let me know if you guys would like to see an updated key sunglass collection. The second drawer has all of my concealers, foundations, and you know, all like face makeup kind of things. And then in this drawer, I just have some random little sponges because I didn't know where else to put them. But this has all my bronzers, blushes, and then highlights, kind of. And then these are kind of like bronzer highlight duos. Fourth drawer is all eye makeup. Okay, next drawer has all of my eyelashes. And these are all my Cocoa lashes. Almost all of them are the Queen Bees, which are my favorite. And then in here I've got all of my makeup palettes. There are a few missing. My sister and my mom steal them like all the time, so I honestly don't even know what's missing, but something is definitely missing. And then this drawer has all my lip products. I've got kind of like liquid lipsticks here, lip glosses, lipsticks, and lip pencils here. And then in this drawer is kind of a mess, but it's got like kind of all my like Bath and Body Works fragrance kind of products. So I've got like lotions, more lotions, perfumes, miniature candles, all that kind of stuff in here. This last drawer, this is my Lush drawer. I mean, I'm not as obsessed with it as much as I used to be. I just have a lot of like bath bombs and bubble bars left over from when I was super obsessed with it. Right here is my closet, and I'm not gonna go too in depth. I do have a walk-in closet, and then right here I have my nightstand, which is next to my bed, obviously. And again, like the dresser, this is an old piece of furniture that I'm not really sure where it came from. On the top of it, I do have some flowers, and again, I think these are just from some kind of craft store. Right here, I have this little frame. It's from Urban Outfitters, I believe, and this was actually Christmas gifts, but it's a heart with pink glitter, and it has my selfie with Louie, aka the most like beloved thing in my entire life. Like, I'm literally, obviously, best day, best moment, best picture of my entire life. So I just have this glass dish with my medicine that I take every night, and then I also have some chapstick in there as well, because in the winter I like to put chapstick on every night before I go to bed, so I just have it right there to remind me in that little dish. So I use the Jack Black Lip Therapy with the shea butter, and it's literally my absolute favorite. I put it on at night and my lips are so healed and soft in the morning, so I always put those on at night. And then I also have this lamp. It is from Target. I can't remember if the lampshade actually came with the stand or if it came separately. Simple lampshade, but then a cute little stand. Also have this little tiny fake cactus right there. I can't keep real ones alive, so I have a little tiny one. And then I have an alarm clock that I've had since literally forever, so I have no clue where it's from. And then I also have this little coaster that I got at a surf shop in California. I drink a lot of water, and I always like to have water on my nightstand, so I have a lot of coasters throughout my room, and they're all from California, and I just love that scenery and the palm trees and everything about it, so I really like that. Obviously, the main part of my room is my bed, and the actual like bed frame is like along with the rest of my furniture very old, so don't know where it's from, but it's very standard. So I do have some cute little Christmas lights kind of stranded behind, kind of on top of my headboard, and I really like those, and that just gives it like a little extra touch. And then I have this little star banner above my bed, which is really cute. I actually just got this the other day from Urban Outfitters, so I will definitely link that in the description box below since it is still current. I really like it because it's mixed metal, so you've got rose gold, silver, regular gold. It's just super cute, and I have a lot of mixed metals in my room, as you guys have seen. So I really like that. It kind of goes with all the neutral tones in my room. As you guys can see, I just have an all white bed. For pillows, I have these tan ones back behind. Those are really big. They were actually originally just plain white square pillows, I believe, and then my mom recovered them with this tan fabric because I couldn't find any that were like the right shade and everything that I was wanting. So she just like very easily made some for me. So thanks, Mom. And then I just have my white pillows here that go with my comforter. And then all three of these pillows were from Target. So you can see I've got this white kind of cream, actually furry one in the front. And then like these are kind of pink and silver. I wanted a little tiny bit of color, but mostly all neutral. So just the right amount of color. And then at the end, I do have this cream furry throw at the very end, which is also from Target. And I really like the white and cream. Like normally I feel like you wouldn't normally go for white and cream, but with this neutral room I felt like I needed a little something at the end, so I just really like how all of that looks. And over here is my desk. I've got some more Christmas lights kind of stranded on top here. Starting at the top of my desk, I've got this La La Land record. I absolutely love it. So I saw this record at Urban Outfitters and I had to have it. So that is up at the top framed. I have these little jars in a basket or something in the middle. I'm not exactly sure where they're from. This right here is something my sister made me a couple Christmases ago. It's just like a mason jar with like silver paint and like a little coffee on it, like a little coffee mug, which is super cute. So I just have all three of those at the top of my desk. My desk is super old. I've had it forever, literally forever. I do have these two little nooks or shelves or whatever kind of at the top. So on the left hand side, I've got this one with a vintage Polaroid camera that I thrifted And then I have this plant that is from Ikea with a little cup from Ikea there. And then I have yet another Polaroid frame from Urban Outfitters. And this one's just really simple. It's just clear. The shelf, this really goes with like the rest of my room. I've got some more flowers there on the left, again, just from Hobby Lobby or Michael's or some kind of craft store. In the middle, I have another, can you literally believe it? Another Polaroid kind of framing thing, but this one's a little bit different because it flips. So it's got some pink and blue kind of plastic on it, and then it's like an entire like photo album. And this is actually where I have all my Polaroids that are from California. I keep them all kind of in here. And then I have this little clock, which I recently got from Target. So that's up there. It's rose gold with marble and just super cute. Once again, another Polaroid frame. And this one is another picture of my sister and I at the beach in California with gold, like rose gold glitter inside. Okay, and here's my desk. I recently just kind of like redid it. Starting right here, I've got this little cube from Target. It's marble, and then it's got a whole bunch of like little post-it notes in it, which is super nice because I am such a little list maker, and it's such nice like sturdy marble too. And then I just have a picture of my dog behind that. I don't know, I actually had printed it out to put on here, but it was just so cute I couldn't throw it away, so it's just right back there. And then I have this little tape dispenser also from Target. And then I also have this super cute stapler, again, also from Target, and it's marble and gold, obviously, which I really love. I've got like a little marble and gold theme kind of going on up here. To match everything else, I also have this other little dish, which is marble with a gold lid, and I just have like all of my memory cards and everything in there. So that goes super nice with everything. Again, I think it's from Target. And then I have a little R2-D2 candy dispenser. And then I have this little dish that says, it's like a little teacup that says "So Fancy," and it's black and gold. And I just have some tickets in there, concert tickets for when I see Harry and Niall this summer. And then also on top of my desk is this wall grid, which is also from Target as well, like everything else in my room. And this I actually bought fairly recently as well. So again, it will be linked in the description. And I just printed some pictures from Instagram that kind of looked aesthetically pleasing next to each other. And then I've got a couple Polaroids as well. So I just have that on top of my desk, and I think it looks really nice with all of the gold and the pictures, and I just think it looks super cute. And then I also have my MacBook on top as well. I'll go ahead and show you what's in the drawers. So in this first drawer, I recently redid all of my drawers, and I'm so glad I did because it makes it so much easier to use my desk when it's nice and organized. I got all of these white containers from Target. They actually just came in one little pack all together. And then in this drawer, I just keep all of my papers that I use like all the time. I also have my planner at the top. This planner is literally like 99% of the time sitting on top of here. I also have some headphones. These are the ones for my computer, and I've got some stickers from Brandy Melville in there, a whole bunch of Polaroid albums actually as well back there, a headphone splitter, a coloring book, just kind of random. And this middle drawer is literally an entire drawer of notebooks. I'm not even kidding you. I don't know where all these notebooks came from. Like, I could go through a notebook like super fast. So I just have them all in here, and some of them are like journals and stuff actually as well. Like this is from Urban Outfitters, and it's one of those things where you can just write like, you know, I don't know, it's just like a fun little thing to do. So they're not all just plain notebooks. A lot of them are like journals and stuff like that as well. And this very last drawer is kind of my school drawer. I take a lot of online classes, so I keep my textbooks in there, all of my notebooks and folders and all the kind of stuff that I use for my online classes in here. This little bag has all my colored pencils. I just have it in a bag because there's just a lot of them. And then I have markers here, so if I do want to bust out one of my coloring books, I've got everything I need for that here. Then with my desk is this white furry chair, which I got at Home Goods, and I really like it. White fuzzy chair literally just goes so well with the aesthetic of my room, so I have it there. And then up here I've got my Christmas lights. I've got these little star lights. They were actually just kind of for Christmas, but I mean, stars can be any season, so I have them up there. And my curtains are from Target, I believe, so they're just like white sheer kind of like layered curtains. Next up is my vanity, and I did do an entire video in depth on this as well, so it's part of my makeup collection video. So this is where I sit down and do my makeup every single day. This is all of my daily stuff I use, whereas the Ikea dresser or whatever is kind of just all my extra palettes, but this is the stuff I use actually like every day. So I have a mirror here, which is probably from Target if I was guessing. I'm not exactly sure. And then I have this clear little container from the Container Store. I have some palettes up here. I used to only have one palette up here, but now suddenly I have like all of them. And then I have some makeup brushes. I just have all of my eye brushes in here. That is from Ikea. And then some clear containers that I kind of just actually already had in my house that I keep my face brushes in. And then I have this acrylic container from the Container Store, which has all of my MAC lipsticks. And yeah, I also had an obsession with MAC lipsticks at one time. I have a couple beauty blenders just kind of sitting out with my Fenty gloss, which annoyingly does not fit in here. Super sad, so it just kind of has to sit out on its own. And then I have another acrylic container with all my liquid lipsticks. So some are Anastasia, some are Stila, some are Kylie Cosmetics, but they're all sitting here. And then I've got my MAC brush cleaner, my MAC Fix Plus, and then this little travel container with alcohol in it, just so I can like spray some alcohol to clean off my eyeliner brush or whatever. So that is what's on top of my vanity. And then I have another coaster from California because, like I said, I constantly like to drink water and Starbucks and all that kind of stuff. So I have a lot of coasters. This one is from Hermosa Beach, which is actually where I got all of them, but that one actually says Hermosa Beach. I have this stool that came with my vanity. I have a tan towel on it because I don't want to get the nice like cover, you know. I spill some makeup sometimes. I have this white rug, which, can you believe it? It's from Target. Above my vanity, or kind of like to the side of my vanity, is this really cute La La Land frame that was given to me by my friend for my birthday. And it's just this frame with like the La La Land artwork. It has like the LA skyline and like scenery there. And I don't know, it's just super, super cute. I literally love this so much. And directly above my vanity is this little sign I got at a beach shop the first time I actually went to California. Right here, I have this little bench. I just have these tan cushions with some cream pillows on it. I might replace it with like a pink chair or like small couch or something, I don't know. Above that, I have like this little Polaroid strand, which is super cute. So I just literally took some twine and some nails and some ribbon and some clothespins, and then I just like made this, and it has all my cute little Polaroids on it. And now I've shown you pretty much everything. So right here, hiding behind my door, is what's left of my One Direction related room decor, and it's my This Is Us movie poster. I took all my One Direction stuff out of my room, but this is the last thing, and I just can't do it. It's gotta stay here. So it's back behind my door. That was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I feel like you guys got a lot of information kind of like on my life. Obviously, I'm obsessed with California and LA, and I have a lot of room accents with those. Some random, like a few little One Direction things, La La Land. Like I feel like a lot of me and my interests are kind of encompassed in my room. There's so much of the things I love in my room. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you some inspiration with your room. I love the kind of like white aesthetic that's going on right now. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, and subscribe if you are not subscribed, and thumbs up this video and leave a comment and all that good stuff. So thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye. Little thing. So I thought it was time to do an updated hair tutorial. So if you guys would like to see how I get these loose waves, just keep on watching. For getting into this video is, you might notice my hair is